Good morning, 11th students. Chemistry, practical 1. Aim, you are given point 1 normal NaOH versus X normal HCl. You have to find out the normality and grams per liter. Okay. Now in first part, I taught you how to take the reading. See, in previous lecture, in part 1, you see the part 1, and I showed you how to make the observation table and take average of this reading. Okay, average of this reading is 9.6 we will consider. On this basis, I am showing to you what you have to write. You have to find out the calculation means normality. First step is normality. So what is the formula of normality? Formula, how to calculate? N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Now what is N1V1, N2V2? So you can take one side is acid and one side is basis. On that basis you have to write first of all what is N1 normality of acid. That is unknown. You have to find out X normal HCl. Okay. V1 volume we have taken in pipette. So this is 10 ml of HCl. What is N2? N2 you are given normality 0.1 normal NaOH. Then what is V2? The burette reading means 9.6 ml of NaOH. In this way you have to write all the points. Now calculation N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. First of all you have to show me the rough book. Don't write in the fair book. First of all I will check this and then you can write N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Now by putting these values, what is N1? From here you write X normal multiplied by V1 10 ml. What is N2? That is 0.1 normal N. You have to write the units also, otherwise you will not get the marks. V2 9.6 ml. Okay. So X normal is equal to, you have to find the unknown normality. Again you write 0.1 normal into 9.6 ml and 10 ml will come down to find out the readings. Again you write this X normal. Don't give the gap. Continuous writing you have to write, otherwise you will not get the marks. See this same unit ml will cancel and only the normality unit will be there. Okay, so this decimal I am removing one normal into 9 6 upon, so this decimal 10, this decimal 10. It will be easy for you. So how many places you have to write 96 upon 1 2 3 normal, like that. Again you have to write X normal. So 1 2 and 3. So place 1 2 and third. So 3 places. Okay. So your normality of unknown acid X normal is equal to 0.096 normality. So in this way you are getting, so you have to write normality. You see the manual, from there normality of unknown HCl is equal to 0.096 normal. You have to write the units also. Okay students, are you following? Our next step to find out next grams per liter. So grams per liter is equal to, what is the formula? Normality multiplied by equivalent weight. So before starting this formula, you should know what is the equivalent weight and molecular weight. See, molecular weight, you have to write molecular weight of unknown of HCl. You are knowing H. I am finding you like that. Atomic weight, you have to write all the atomic weights. Hydrogen 1 plus Cl 35.5. So that is 36.5. Okay. So you have to write molecular weight of HCl is equal to 36.5. Now what is the equivalent weight? How to find? So equivalent weight of HCl is equal to 36.5 and number of H ions are 1. So divided by 1. So molecular weight and equivalent weight will be same. In this way you have to write equivalent weight of HCl. Now we are going to find out our this calculation. Grams per liter is equal to what we got, normality 0.096 normal multiplied by 36.5 grams. Multiply these both and you will get the grams okay. Now how you have to write, at last you have to make the result column where you will write like that. You make a good table like that. Unknown, this is you have to write solution which unknown is HCl, that you have to write as hydrochloric acid. Unknown solutions normality, in first table you have to write the name, normality is which you find 0.0696 normal, and grams per liter, this you are going to find that 0.9096 multiplied by equivalent weight and you will get grams per liter. Otherwise this is called the concentration also. Okay, so write here grams per liter. In this way you make a good result column. So I showed you the calculation. In which manner you have to write? You have to write the calculation. In first step you write normality. First calculation is normality. Write the formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Like that, this is step, and this calculation nicely in this step. In the second step you have to write the grams per liter, and before that you write molecular weight of HCl is equal to 36.5. Equivalent weight of HCl is 36.5, same. Okay, and calculate grams per liter is equal to normality multiplied by equivalent weight, and write and calculate this. At last you make the result column. Okay students, first you complete in the rough notebook, afterwards I will check it. Then for the first time, if I am saying it is okay, then you have to write in the fair notebook. Okay students, see you. So distribution of marks, here observation table you are getting 10. Then on the molecular weight you will get 1. Molecular weight 1 mark. Equivalent weight 1 mark. Okay. For the calculation of normality you will get 2 marks. For the calculation of grams per liter you will get 2 marks. And at last, see 10 plus 2 12, 12 and 2 14, 14 and 2 16, and at last 18. 2 will you will get. We will see what the final mark will be given. So according to that you have to write each and every step very nicely. Okay students, I hope in the 2 lectures I completed my practical, and hope you when you want to submit, you can submit on tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday you can submit. Submit means come and show the rough notebook. I want to see only the rough notebook. Okay, and bring manual and fair notebook also with you, so I can guide. Okay, so first I taught you that how to complete your rough notebook. Rough notebook, first you start with your aim. I said you aim, then you have to write the 4 line, that is burette, pipette, indicator and color change. Then you write reaction, then observation table, then calculations, 2 calculation, then you show molecular weight and equivalent weight. In this way, within 2 pages only you have to take the 2 pages. Okay, and complete, and I hope you will submit on tomorrow. Tuesday I will see you. Okay students.